Hello everyone, welcome to my channel for yet another video on Nifty Bank Nifty analysis. Today we'll take a look at the daily charts for both Nifty and Bank Nifty, and we'll also take a look at the key levels where we can trade tomorrow. Also, today's movement was very good for option buyers on for both Nifty and Bank Nifty, and I think for Nifty we have already touched the top of the blue channel, top of the channel that we were looking at, and we are very much close to 23,000 level, as well as for Bank Nifty we are still away from 49,000 and 50,000 levels, but I think those levels are also within reach by the day of election results. So all in all, I think whatever we have been anticipating, the market is behaving exactly like that. So we'll take a look at the key levels again, where we can trade tomorrow. But before that, a disclaimer: all the views and opinions expressed in this video are for learning purposes only and in no way is a buy or sell recommendation. Any buying or selling decision or any trading or investing decision needs to be taken after consultation with your respective financial advisors. Viewer discretion is advised. So what I'm sharing with you all right now is a Nifty spot chart on a daily time frame, and as you can see here, this was the dotted purple channel was the one which we were talking about from here. So it had taken support at the bottom of this channel, and then again the top took resistance at the top, then again support at the bottom, took resistance again at the top, and again took support at the bottom. And today it has broken out of this particular top, that particular channel, and has managed to close well above it. Now the interesting thing here is the level where Nifty has closed today is 22,967, which is roughly around 23,000 level, right? So 23,000 is a psychological level, and there is going to be some resistance at least for few days, right? So the next move that I see from here is that we may see a down move, and down move for I think a couple of days from till the levels of I think 22 700 something, and then from there we will again bounce back and break this and continue to go further in the upcoming trading session. So anyone who would not have purchased today, or anyone who wouldn't have entered into a buy side trade, it will be best not to enter it right now. Don't get into uh, the FOMO mode, right? The fear of missing out. Don't get into that mode. I think wait for the right time. We will have some correction, and after that there will be again a up move. So tomorrow also there is a chance, there is a likelihood that the market will go up, but again it will not sustain there, and there will be selling or profit booking that will be seen, and the price will come down. So don't get into the hurry of entering the market. Wait for it. Okay, so the candle that we have today is almost a bullish Morubozu candle, and if you see the past candles, right from 13th May till today 23rd May, that is within 8 trading sessions we have covered almost 1000 plus points on Nifty, right? And also this particular candle is so big that this will uh, act as a external candle for other candles, right? So if the market opens in between, then there will be range bound movement. So this candle, unless the low of this candle gets broken or the high of this candle gets broken, I mean a close has to be above that, then in that case it will suggest some unidirectional move, right? Anyone who would have, I mean the big players who would have bought here, right, are bound to exit or book profits here, at least for some quantity. And also a few of the weak hands will also prefer booking profits and then leave. So all in all, I think we are looking at a couple of days of consolidation or couple of days of a down move with a red candle, right? But that move will not be very huge. We may see again a recovery back, and we may have a doji candle or a small bodied red candle, right? So the key levels to watch out for tomorrow would be 22,555 on the lower side, and 23 23,022 on the upper side. Now if the level 23,022 uh, if the price sustains above this level 23,022, then in that case we may consider going ahead and taking a buy side trade, but with a strict stop loss of under 23,000, right? So if we are buying at 23,022 levels, and if the price comes or a candle closes below 23,000, then in that case it's best to exit it, because you never know how long it will, I mean how much it will fall. The chances are high that a correction would be till 22,788 or 22,777 level, or max to max it could be till 22,544 levels, right? So roughly around 400 to 500 points correction is possible, is likely, but you don't want to be on the receiving end, right? So entering right now and then the market showing correction will not be desirable. So wait for your turn. If this rally is, I mean this long rally has been already missed, if that this has already been missed, then that's okay. Wait for a, a pullback, and then when there is a breakout, that time go ahead and trade, right? So if the price breaks below 22,555, then in that case I think I would be interested to go ahead with a downside trade, because everyone who would have purchased here would be trapped, and they would want to exit from their positions, which will take the price further low till almost 22,300 or 22,200 levels as well, right? So this range of roughly around 500 600 points is something where it's best to not to enter into a trade. If the price sustains above it, then in that case we can go ahead with a buy side trade, or if the price breaks below the low of 22,555 and sustains below it, then in that case we can go ahead with a downside trade, right? This is for uh, Nifty. Let's move on to Bank Nifty and see how Bank Nifty traded today. So Bank Nifty also is showing a bullish Morobozu candle, and the key levels for Bank Nifty are 47,866 on the lower side and 48,844 on the upper side. Now interestingly, this for Bank Nifty we are tracking this channel, right? The blue one, and if you see the top of this blue is way far. I mean, not that this will not be reached early, but as compared to this 23,000 level, right? 23,000 level has already been knocked at for Nifty, but for Bank Nifty, I think 49,999, 49,974 was the previous all-time high. So that, in order to test that, there is still a good 1,000 points left, right? So this 1,000 points can be achieved in a couple of trading sessions. May not be tomorrow, but on the upcoming Monday or Tuesday, it is like very much likely, right? So if you see the candlestick pattern here, it is clearly suggesting that the buyers are in total control, and since this has come from a support at the blue channel, the bottom of the blue channel, it has also as we can see, it has also entered the purple channel, this purple channel which it had broken a few days back. So it has again entered it. Now as long as it is inside this purple channel, I think it may face some resistance at the middle of the purple channel, and once it closes above middle of the purple channel, then it will go on to uh, target or go on to hit the blue channel top or the purple channel top, right? So these would be the open targets for us. This line which I have drawn is for the result day. So more or less, I think these are the levels where we can reach by 4th of June. So the first level, I think, which we can reach is the all-time high which we have already touched. So that is roughly around 49,977 levels, but I'll consider that as 50,000 level. If that happens, well and good. If the market shows more promise than that, then in that case we may even touch 5711 and even 5933. So it is very much likely that in the upcoming trading sessions we may go on to 51,000 as well, uh, if such a momentum continues, right? So don't worry about entering into the trade. Don't hurry up on entering into a trade. Wait for some pullback and then enter, right? So buyers are in the market, buyers are looking strong, the bulls are looking strong. So every opportunity is going to be a buy on dip. So don't get into a hurry of entering at a very high price and then exiting at low. Instead, wait for the price to come down and then probably enter, right? Or in case if you are entering at a higher price, then have a strict stop loss, because if the price shows a strong correction, then in that case it may hurt you, right? So all in all, the key levels are 48,844 on the upper side for Bank Nifty for tomorrow, and 47,866 on the lower side for Bank Nifty. So today was Nifty expiry, and expiry was very good as compared to the Bank Nifty expiry. So Bank Nifty expiry was not that good, I would say, but today's Nifty expiry was very good, and also the movement that we saw for both Nifty and Bank Nifty was tremendous. So it was a good day for option buyers, and I think in the upcoming days, anyone going ahead with a buy side trade um, would be more likely to end up with profits as against someone who would be, with a sell side trade, right? So that's the analysis from my side. Do let me know in comment section whether this analysis is helping you or not, and whether you traded today and whether you were able to uh, book profits, I mean capture this good move today, right? And also, if there's anything else you would want me to cover as part of these videos, then do let me know. And just before we wrap up, a small disclaimer: making money in stock markets is not easy, and there's no shortcut to make money. However, with continuous improvements and over time, we can definitely make money from stock markets. So thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned.